So in this video, I'm going to walk through my Tailwind projects, a dashboard, a sidebar, and the center project. So this is the sidebar from Tailwind's website. So I recreated the UI. I made it in dark mode and in light mode. So this is the dark mode. So yeah, it's responsive, and when it gets to mobile view, there's a margin at the left, just like it is in the original Tailwind website. So yeah, it's responsive on tablets, on mobile, and on desktop view. I also included JavaScript in this project. I made the X button at the top there responsive, so when you click it, it shows this. Then the open drawer button at the center is also responsive to open the drawer. So this is me switching to light mode so you can see how the UI looks. So I switched on my Chrome browser to light mode, and yeah, the buttons are responsive, the anchor text, and these input fields are also responsive, and the images. Yeah, and when you click on an input field, the color outline, there's an outline and a border on that element. So this is the second project. This is just a center bar, a centered container with an add team members. So yeah, this is also made in for light mode and dark mode. When you hover on the input field, it's responsive to. There wasn't really much work with this, but I made it responsive on tablet view, on mobile view, just like it was in the Tailwind website. Here for the final Tailwind projects, this is the dashboard. I added this little menu on the JavaScript. I just used an absolute position to put the little container there, just like it was in Tailwind. So here the buttons, the containers in the dashboard are all responsive when hovered. Then on tablet view, the dashboard isn't visible, so when you click the menu button, it appears. I did that with JavaScript, and there's a button in the overlay that when it clicks, you can remove the dashboard. Also, when you click the overlay itself, you can remove the dashboard. That was done in JavaScript too.